Hello viewers, welcome to Platform of Bangladesh Quick Career Quiz program. By participating in this program, you can enrich your preparation for bank exam, BCS exam and other jobs. So, let's see today's quiz question. Change the form of speech. He said to me, "Which job do you want?" It came up in bank recruitment test in 2019. You can answer this quiz with react button. Like react. He asked me which job I had wanted. Love react. He told me which job I wanted. Wow react. He inquired about me which job I was wanted. Care react. He asked me which job I wanted. You can also drop your answer in comment box. Thank you.